Welcome, explorers. Today, we embark on a journey to master the negative form of the verb to be. After understanding the positive form, we'll move to the negatives, broadening our English skills. The adventure takes us across continents, revealing how cultures express negation differently. Prepare to question what we know and learn how to express ourselves better in conversation. From simple statements to complex ideas, understanding negatives will enhance our communication. So, buckle up. It's time to explore the world of negatives and language nuance. Let's take our first step into the world of negation by understanding its structure. The verb to be is essential. When we add not after the verb, we create a sense of absence. For instance, I am not tired. This simple addition transforms our statements and allows us to express what we feel differently. How about an example? Instead of I am happy, we can say I am not sad. This shift is enlightening. This new way of thinking opens doors for more creative communication. Let's explore this further. Negation in English can change the way messages come across, making communication more nuanced. Let's examine contractions. Saying I am not feels much more natural than using the full form. Contractions simplify our speech, making it smoother and easier for listeners to engage. Now, let's look at how negation can be applied in various contexts to enhance clarity. For example, avoiding confusion helps in statements like, she is not the leader instead of she is the follower. As we explore these examples, think about how negation might shift meanings in your own speech. Embracing the concept of negation allows for a richer dialogue, paving the way for deeper understanding. Continuing from our last discussion, let's explore how to ask negative questions. For example, aren't you excited? Highlights anticipation. Using the structure are you not can subtly shift the meaning of our inquiries. It invites conversation while setting a tone. Consider the difference between you are not studying and are you not studying. The latter prompts clarification. This subtle nuance encourages a two-way dialogue. Asking negative questions fosters an open atmosphere. Let's analyze a practical scenario. Imagine asking a colleague, "Are you not joining the meeting?" instead of making a statement. This approach not only confirms attendance but expresses an invitation, creating a collaborative spirit. Asking negative questions can also reflect concern or surprise. Consider this: aren't you feeling well? Such inquiries reflect our awareness of others' feelings, strengthening social bonds through care and consideration. Next, let's practice together. I will say a statement and you try to convert it into a negative question. For instance, I say, "You are happy." How would you transform that into a negative question? Think it through. The answer is, aren't you happy? This illustrates our ability to engage meaningfully by asking for more than just facts. Similarly, when we address someone's plans, we could say, "You are not attending the concert." But we can ask, "Are you not attending the concert?" This conveys interest and invites a sharing of feelings. This slight change creates space for deeper conversations, fostering connections and understanding. In practical terms, mastering negative questions enhances our communication. It's about creating dialogue, not just statements. Let's move to real-world examples. How would you use negative questions at work? Share your thoughts. One example could be, "Aren't you working on that project?" This opens the door for sharing progress and challenges. This interaction not only shares responsibilities but also encourages teamwork, essential in any project. Now think about personal relationships. Asking, "Aren't you excited about your trip?" creates a connection. Inquiring this way reflects genuine interest and strengthens the bond between friends or family. Negative questions are more than grammar. They are tools for empathy and engagement, enriching conversations. As we practice, remember, the goal is to enhance our language skills and foster connections with others. Incorporating negative questions into your daily vocabulary can lead to richer interactions in all areas of life. Let's conclude this session by reflecting on how we can use these tools to become better communicators. As we gather our energies, let's start our world tour, embracing the beauty of names from different cultures. Let's name some countries. We begin with the vibrant Brazil, known for its rich culture and beautiful landscapes. Next, we visit Japan, a land where ancient traditions meet cutting-edge technology, inspiring curiosity. How about Australia with its unique wildlife and stunning coastlines? Let's say it together, Australia. Now, let's journey to India. Its diversity in culture and food makes it a fascinating destination to explore. Moving on to Egypt, we discover its ancient wonders, rich history, and breathtaking landscapes. Now that we've touched countries, let's explore cities. How about New York, the city that never sleeps? Paris, renowned for its art and romance, beckons us to say its name aloud, filling our hearts with wonder. And let's not forget about oceans. The Pacific Ocean, expansive and serene, offers adventures beneath its waves. Now, let's integrate numbers. From 21 to 100, we can count together in English. As we count, let's embrace the rhythm, letting each number resonate as we practice speaking loudly. These interactions help reinforce our vocabulary, connecting words to the world around us. As we reflect on our journey, we realize how much we've learned about the English language and its nuances. We are now able to communicate what we are not and understand the essence of asking the right questions. Counting from 21 to 100 has become second nature, embedding new vocabulary in our daily conversations. Each lesson we shared reinforced our connection to the language and its ability to describe our world. This isn't the end. It's just the beginning of our adventure into descriptive language. Stay curious, keep practicing, and let your learning spirit guide you as we journey onward.